Okay, our first drawing in Fusion is going to be the counter clamp bar, which is A-6. This counter clamp bar is a pretty simple drawing. So what you do when you have Fusion open is you're going to draw it first as a 2D sketch. So click on Create Sketch, and from here you can select a plane. Try to select this one right here, this grayed out one right here. Click that. That spins around. You have the XY plane. Now we're going to make this with the rectangle tool. So click on 2-point rectangle. Go to the very middle, click and release, and move this way, and click again. Now we can enter dimensions for this. So go up to Sketch Dimension, click on it, go to this top line, click and release, move up, click again. That highlights blue. You will change that one to say 2.5 and hit enter. And then on this either left or right line, click again, move to the side, and you will make this one say 0.5 and hit enter. Okay, from here we have to make this into a solid object. So to do that, you're going to go up to the word Finish Sketch, click on Finish Sketch, and right here is the word Extrude. From here, you have to select a value to give it three-dimensional depth, and you should set that to 1.12. Once you have that set, you can click Enter or just click OK right here. So now we have our object. If you need to zoom in or zoom out, if you're using a mouse, you can use the wheel on the mouse, but it is not necessary. Otherwise, you can go down to the Zoom tool down here, click on that, click and hold, and that allows you to zoom in, zoom out. If you want to move around the screen, the hand or pan tool allows you to do that. Okay, from here, you need to create another sketch. So click Create Sketch, move on to this front surface right here. And from here, I'm going to draw two rectangles. I'm going to start on the corner, click and release, and move over here, and click again. Go up to Dimension. This first one should have a value, this top line right here, should have a value of 0.24. Click Enter. And this value over here should have a value of 0.18. Hit Enter. Now on this side, same thing, go back to the rectangle tool, click and release. Now, another shortcut can be to enter the dimensions right away. So see how this top one is lit up? It says 0.345 right now. If that's blue, I can change that to say 0.38. Press the Tab key on your Chromebook or keyboard and change this other value to 0.18. Hit Enter. Now we have to cut those out, so we're going to hit Finish Sketch. I'm going to click on this house view to rotate my view. This right here is the Extrude button, and you're going to select the surfaces that you're going to extrude. You can click on the arrow and push these all the way through. Another way to do it, as you start to push that direction, you can select the cut button and change the distance to say all. So it cuts all of that out. Click OK, and now your object is complete. So at this point, I would go up to the File button, and I would do a Save, and I would save this as A-6 and hit Save. The final step is to get this into a drawing file. To do this, what you have to do is go down to Design and look for Drawing and do a drawing from Design. Click on that, and it should say Create New from Scratch, inches. You might want to change the sheet size. We're going to do sheet size A today. It's a standard sheet of printer paper. Click OK. Wait for this to get set up. And over here, we have some drawing views like a base view, a projected view. Okay, they're your project name called admin project, title A6 shows up, and here is my front view. So it says to place the base view, I click and release. I'm going to close this out. Now if I want the rest of my views, I go up to projected view and you select the parent view. That's your front view or your main view. So I click on this and release. Now I move up and click again. I go over here, click again, I come straight down, I click again, and then I hit this little check mark here. So those drawings are now complete. And the last thing I need to do is enter the dimensions that are necessary to complete this drawing that you saw in class. So on the sketch you used to draw this, so we're going to put this one at 2.5. We're going to put this one right here at 0.5. Let me zoom in so you can see a little better. I need this dimension here, so I'm going to go from here to here. That one is 0.18. I need the overall width of this, so I'm going to go from here to here. That gives me 0.12. I'm going to get this dimension from here to here. I'm going to set that one right there. I need the dimension for this one, so I'm going to go from here to here. That's 0.38. And the last dimension I could use on here would be from here to here, is that 0.32. And I believe that is all that is needed. So from here, I would do another file, save as. So I can go up here, file, just do a save. And this is an A6 drawing file. Project location would be admin. I believe we can change these at some point, but I'm going to leave that for now. And then to save this, you have to kind of grab this, move here, and then you're going to hit save down here. And once you're done, show this to the instructor and get checked off for completing today's assignment.